business, there isn't a good time. Just go for it. You're always going to have something going on. You're going to have school, you're going to have work, you're going to have family, you're going to have things happening in your life that will prevent you from starting a business. Just go for it. Well, we want to make sure that you want to make sure that your customers are genuinely having the problem that you're trying to solve. If there may be the timing is off. Really the best market validation in any case is when someone is actually willing to give you some money for the solution that you're offering. All right, so sometimes the technology isn't ready. Sometimes your competition is going to have something that's going to be more attractive. And sometimes you just may have a whole bunch of things happening that make it really hard for your customer to adopt your solution. So on the table in front of you, I've got a sheet. It's called the Big Idea Canvas. A great little tool that I use with all my students and I use personally in my business stuff to identify and evaluate new ideas. And what we're going to do is I'm going to walk you through some of the high points of the sheet. Okay. So we're just going to evaluate how big the pain is that the customer might be experiencing. So, hey, if it's just a mosquito, great. We put a little bit of Benadryl on it, we're good. But if it's a shark hanging off of our arm, hey, maybe we should pay attention. Maybe this is a big enough pain that's going to be a little bit more compelling. How many people are actually experiencing the pain? So if it's not very often, then, maybe it's a significant pain, but we've got a workaround. All right, next we're going to say, well, what is the potential of the market? So if we understand, can we profitably provide an opportunity for it? And finally, last is just, what's the size and the growth of it? So we want to take a look at, is this thing going in a direction where people are going to be attracted to solving the problem? Is it something where the growth is such that we're going to actually ride a wave up where we can take advantage of some good things? And you can do that with any idea. Remember the importance of testing the products that you have, the services that you have, and the way that you do that is to actually go and talk with people. You're going to be able to overcome obstacles if you'll just stay with it. Get a team around you, get the people around you to help support you and help you to be successful and help you to accomplish over things. And you need a really strong why. That's my family in the corner. And it will make a big difference when you have the reason that you're doing what you're doing be as strong and important as your family or even a bigger cause. I've failed 9 different times in my entrepreneurial journey. Wow. But the reality is that I'm not done yet. The world needs your ideas. The world needs your spirit. The world needs the things that you can accomplish and the things that you can provide in helping others to accomplish their own dreams.